Hello dear students, today we will discuss about network topology. What is the meaning of topology is there? Topology is that mean there are many computers are connected through a network. So that we have to call topology. Fine. Now let's start the topology. Fine. Network topology. First, what is a network topology? Topology refer to the layout of connected device on network. It means there are many devices are connected through a single cable. Fine. So that is a topology. There are some topology mesh, star, bus and ring, and there is one more tree and hybrid. In our book all there are only four topology: mesh, star, bus and ring. So we have to discuss all these four. In this video we will discuss only two. First, mesh and star. First one is a mesh. These are the network topology. These are the diagram of network topology. In the bus topology, ring topology, star, and that is a extend star, and that is a hierarchical and mesh. In bus topology, there are many networks. Many clients are connected through a single cable. But in network ring topology, all the devices are connected through a single cable, through a single node. And star topology, all the clients are connected through a single server. It means single hub or port. In the mesh topology, all the devices are connected to each others. Next, mesh topology. Here every device has a point-to-point link to every other device. Node first node must be connected with n-1 node. What is the meaning of a node? One node must be connected with n-1. Suppose there are five networks, five clients are there. It means one client is connected to rest of the four clients. Means one client is connected to four client. There are if there is a five clients. Fine. There is a n node, that means n-1 is a connections of node. Next, a fully connected mesh can have n-1 upon 2 physical channels to link and device. It means these are the total number of node in a complete mesh topology. It must have n-1 input output port. In the last diagram we have discussed that this is the mesh topology. It means there are five devices. In five devices, this device is connected to all other four devices. This one is also connected to four devices, and all the devices are connected through the node. It means one device is connected to four node, 1 2 3 4, and these all the r's, these are, what is the formula of that? n-1 upon 2. Fine. This one, mesh topology advantage. What is the advantage of mesh topology? Mesh topology, they use dedicated links, so each link can only carry its own data load, so traffic problem can be avoided. Next, it is a robust. If any one link get damaged, it cannot affect others. It gives privacy and security. Messages travel along a dedicated link. Fault identification and fault isolation are easy. That means, it means you know that in this topology all the devices are connected through a personal cable. So if I transfer the data to other device, I have to send my data through a personal single cable. So my data is not lost, my data is not damaged, and my data is keep privacy also, because these cables, these nodes are very dedicated. It means that they have to, they not share the data with each other. Fine. So that is the mesh topology. In the mesh technology is the arrangement, it means of the network in which computers are connected with each other through various connections. Mesh topology is mainly used for WAN implementations where communication failure are a critical concern. Mesh topology is mainly used for wireless network. Fine. So next is that this is the mesh topology diagram. In the computer there are different types of clients are, and every clients are connected to each other. This device is connected to all 5 to 6 devices. There are 6 devices, it means one device have a 5 node. 1 2 3 4 5. Fine. Next, mesh topology. This is the same diagram. It means one device is connected to all other device. What is the disadvantage of mesh topology? The amount of cabling and the number of input output required are very large. Since every device is connected to each device through dedicated link, it means in this mesh topology there are many, we have to require lot of cabling. You just see that there are lot of nodes, each and every nodes is connected to each and every device, so there we have to need lot of cabling. Second is that the sheer bulk of wiring is larger than the available space. Hardware required to connect each device is highly expensive. This is the disadvantage of mesh topology. Application mesh topology is used in telephone, regional office, and as well as WAN, wide area network. And it is the communication is very fast between the nodes. This is the advantage of mesh topology, and it is a reliable also. How it is reliable? The mesh topology network are very reliable, as if any link breakdown will not affect the communication between connected computers. Fine. So this is the about mesh topology. Second is a star topology. What is the meaning of star topology? In the star topology, there is a one hub is connected to all the clients. It means there is only one hub, and we all are clients that we have to connect through one hub, one server. Fine. So what is the theory about this? Here each device has a dedicated point-to-point link to the central control called hub. There is no direct traffic between devices. It means one device is connected through hub. All the devices are not connected to each other. Fine. So there is no direct to direct control as well as connected to other device. All the devices are connected through hub. So there is no direct traffic between device. The transmission are occurred only through the central hub. When device I want to send data to device 2, first send the data to hub, which then relays the data to the other connected device. If I want to share the data to other device, first I have to send the request to hub. If request, I send the request to hub. If hub granted the request, then he access the permission, then we have to transfer the data to other device which is connected to in that star topology. So this is the hub, and all the devices are connected through hub. If I want to share the information this device to this device, then first I have to share the information through hub, then my hub is shared in this device. So this is the star topology. This one is a star topology. Hub is there, all the device and all the computers are connected through a single hub. Fine. Next, what is the advantage of star topology? What are the advantages of star topology? This one is a less expensive than mesh, since each device is connected only to the hub. It is a less expensive. Obviously it is less because in that topology we don't need much more cabling. Fine. First thing is this, and installation configurations are very easy. Third point is that we have already discussed that less cabling is needed than mesh. Robustness: if one link fails, only that link is affected, all others link remain active because every device is connected to hub, a single and their own cable. Easy to fault identification and to remove parts. No disruption to the network than connecting removed device. Next, what are the disadvantages of star topology? In that star topology, even it required less cabling than mesh when compared with other topology is still large. It required less cabling, but its size, it is, if I compare to other topology, its size very large. And dependence, second is dependence. It means whole the network is depend on one single point. When it goes down, the whole system is dead. Obviously, if because we all are connected through a single hub, if hub is network or hub is down, then all the system will be dead. Fine. So this is the star topology. Fine. In the star topology, what is the meaning of star topology? Star topology is that arrangement of the network in which every node is connected to the central hub, switch or the central computer. We can say that the central computer is also known as a server, and the peripheral device attached to the server are known as a client. These are the clients and this is the server. So all the clients are connected through a single server. Fine. And star topology is the most popular topology in network implementations. Fine. So this is the star topology. Star topology is star topology applications are star topology used in local area network, and mesh topology will be used in a wide area network, that is a high speed LAN and often use a star. So this is the mesh and star topology. In next video we will discuss about ring and bus topology. Fine students. So this is about star topology. Very good. Bye. Take care.